Hello everyone, this is Radhika Goenka and I'm internationally certified career counselor. I invite all of you for the 3-day workshop in which we will be helping you to choose the most suited subject for you. The topic of the workshop is correct subject before correct career. This means that the root of your professional career should be strong. We all are aware that if the root is not strong, we will not be able to reach our desirable height. And hence, choosing the appropriate subject for you is the vital thing for you right now. So, all the students who are in the teenage age, it is mandatory for you to understand that which subject suits me the best. And here we are inviting you to choose the best one for you. In the 3-day workshop, you will be aware of who am I. You will be able to understand your strength and your interest areas.